Welcome to Random GK. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more quiz videos. Let's start today's quiz on plants. What process do plants use to make food? Photosynthesis. Which part of the plant is responsible for photosynthesis? Leaf. What pigment gives plants their green color? Chlorophyll. Which part of the plant absorbs water and nutrients from the soil? Roots. What is the reproductive part of a flowering plant? Flower. What type of plant lives for more than 2 years? Perennial. What is the main function of a plant's roots? Water absorption. What is the term for a plant that loses its leaves annually? Deciduous. Which part of the plant conducts water from roots to leaves? Xylem. Which gas is essential for photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. What is the term for the transfer of pollen from anther to stigma? Pollination. Which plant hormone is responsible for cell elongation? Auxin. What is the main product of photosynthesis? Glucose. What type of plant grows on another plant but is not parasitic? Epiphyte. Which nutrient is most important for plant growth? Nitrogen. What do we call a plant that completes its life cycle in 1 year? Annual. What do you call plants that grow, flower, and die in 2 years? Biennials. What is the main purpose of a plant's flower? Reproduction. What is the term for plants that grow in water? Hydrophytes. Which process describes the loss of water vapor from plant leaves? Transpiration.
Thank you for watching. See you in next quiz video.